The Alvar Samsung fridge door bin shelf is a great refrigerator upgrade. This new bin shelf is perfect. It is compatible with many Samsung models. It fits the RF28T5021 Steradian and the RF28T5101 Steradian. It also works with the RF28T5021SG and the RF28T5F01SR. This door bin shelf is a lifesaver. Furthermore, it is a sturdy replacement part. The old shelves often crack or break. They cannot handle heavy items. This new Alvar Samsung fridge door bin shelf is strong. It is made of thick, durable plastic. Therefore, it holds all my condiments and jars. Moreover, installation is simple. It snaps right into place. You can do it in seconds. I am so happy with this replacement. The quality is much better. This Alvar Samsung fridge door bin shelf is like a new foundation. It gives your refrigerator door a fresh start. Likewise, it is a perfect replacement. It fits refrigerators with the part numbers DA63-09780A and DA97-20989A. The bin is for the left door. It is the perfect size for bottles. It holds milk and juice. Also, it stores my sauces and dressings. The clear plastic makes things easy to see. Additionally, it is easy to clean. You can wipe it down quickly. It feels very solid and secure. The price is also very reasonable. So, it is a great value. I highly recommend it to anyone. Overall, this Alvar Samsung fridge door bin shelf is a major upgrade. It feels more substantial. This shelf is very well made. The fit is precise. It is not loose or wobbly. My old shelf was a sad, cracked ruin. Now, my fridge door is organized. Everything has its own home. Consequently, finding things is easier. It is a small change. Yet, it makes a big difference. Hence, I am very satisfied. This product is fantastic. Buy it, and you will not regret it. Pros: looks to be a bit stronger, great replacement bin, fast shipping, fits perfectly, matches original parts, can't tell it's not original, durable, holds a good amount of weight, excellent quality, would buy again, would highly recommend. Cons: no negative feedback, seems to be a quality product. Features: upgraded DA63-09780A model, compatible with Samsung refrigerators, replaces DA97-20989A part. Left side door bin, clear plastic construction, easy to install, durable and sturdy, fits multiple Samsung models, designed for fridge doors, organizes refrigerator items. The Alvar upgraded DA63-09780A left refrigerator door bin is a replacement shelf for certain Samsung refrigerators. It is designed to fit on the left side of the fridge door and is a clear, durable plastic part. This bin is an upgraded version of the DA63-09780A model and can replace the DA97-20989A part. It is easy to install and helps you keep items organized in your refrigerator. The bin is compatible with several Samsung models, including the RF28T5021 Steradian, RF28T5101 Steradian, RF28T5021SG, and RF28T5F01SR. This refrigerator door bin, model Alvar DA63-09780A, is a great replacement for several Samsung refrigerator models, including the RF28T5021 Steradian and RF28T5101 Steradian. Customers are very happy with this product, noting that it's a durable and stronger version of the original. It ships quickly, fits perfectly, and is indistinguishable from the original part. The bin has excellent quality, can hold a good amount of weight, and has received no negative feedback. Overall, It's a high-quality product that customers would highly recommend and buy again.